Everyone getting Oh man, y'all are salty right now. I love it. Welcome to the Radix Knowledge Center. I'm definitely going to be spending some time here. And this battle music's getting everybody fierce. So how are you guys positioning yourselves here? Radix is a high throughput platform to build and distribute decentralized applications. In research and development since 2011, Radix is the first infinitely scalable distributed ledger protocol for trustless systems. Especially since you guys have been in self-funded and doing this for so long. That's awesome. It is an eventually consistent distributed database. An eventually consistent. Okay, I like that. That's that clock key. It is specifically designed for ease of use to run on resource restricted devices. Oh, okay. Helping both mass adoption and for use in the Internet of Things. I'm not gonna lie, guys. When I was reading about IOTA, when I was reading about Tangle, I got a bit emotional thinking about how cool that would be, and then it kind of all fell around, you know, with the wallet problems and everything else. They're smart people. They're doing a lot of really great things, but I mean, who knows what's gonna happen. Now we have Twitchy in chat, guys. We do want to be critical, and we want to approach this in a critical way. But fundamentally, as of the research we've been doing so far, it looks good. Now, I'm not going to shy away. If I see something weird, I do want to bring it up because we have Twitchy in chat who can answer this for us. So he'll call me out on my bullshit if I am spreading FUD, but I'm going to try not to. Radix can run a full node on a Raspberry Pi and can run as low as 16 megs of RAM and 100 MHz to CPU. What? Damn. Is Twitchy on the team? Yes, Twitchy Hippie is on the Radix team. He is in chat, chatting with us right now. Twitchy, let me get in on a node? Yeah, for real. Damn. Especially if it could run on something like that. That is crazy. This is a cool project, man. Even if you weren't in here, I would be looking at this. Mystic. I'm broke. Killer 123 miner. Hold on, I'm gonna fix that for you. There you go, buddy. Making it rain. Have fun with that. Check your points. You should have some. The Radix platform will enable developers to create, distribute, and manage highly scalable, efficient, and secure distributed applications for both public and private networks. Now, boys, if you were at the stream yesterday, you do know. You can clip it. You can see it. I love platforms. I am a huge platform fan. Ethereum, Neo, anything that's platform related. I love platforms because building stuff on top of stuff on top of stuff is super cool. I love finding out all about that and learning all about that. Thanks, it's great to see feedback after working so long in the background. Dude, I'm happy to give feedback. My whole you know, peek behind the curtain, my whole thing is that I'm trying to just be as transparent as possible and give some opinions and do it in a public way so that people, cool people like you, will be able to come and call me on my nonsense. Because I want to learn, and I also really enjoy this environment of chatting with you guys and talking. So I figured if I try to learn and I say something wrong and I get corrected, that's all the better for me. And it's all the better for us because we can all learn in a way that's not embarrassing everybody. It's usually just embarrassing me. So that's... I'm broke for the 4th time. Oh, damn. Live interview with Twitchy. Yeah, Twitchy, if you want to set something up where we do a Skype interview, I am totally down. Obviously, I'm sure you would want to, like, I don't know, talk to somebody about that or whatever, but I'd be super happy to put a little bit of work into it, get some questions from the community, and do a Twitch stream with you. I could probably get Piers to do an interview closer to launch. I'm 100% down, Twitchy. I am 100% down. I'll promise I'll keep it lower key. We'll get a little bit more professional. We're kind of memeing right now. Our CEO, sweet. I'm down. Whoever wants to talk. We're memeing a little hard right now because of Binance being down. But as you can see, if you check the Discord, we do have quite a few people. So we'd be happy to blast that out preemptively and, you know, get people in here so they can make their own decisions about this. What is so cool about Radix? All right, guys, let's do our Binance check. No new tweets. Nothing from him. Bitcoin's dipping a little. And the Binance.com site does not look like it's working. Let's keep going. Guys, you know the AbettorCult motto, which I've never told you before. Knowledge is power. We're digging in. We're digging into Radix. All right, let's see here. Radix offers a novel distributed ledger architecture for decentralized applications. That is sharded to scale in an efficient, unbounded, linear fashion combined with a secure consensus algorithm called Tempo. That's what you were talking about, Twitchy. I gotcha. Radix scales linearly and thus infinitely as new nodes join the network, using the theory of sharding without compromising security. It enables resource-restricted devices to run a full Radix node. So you guys are is another analogy like you're compressing the information, or I guess my brain is not comprehending how all the data is there. I guess the key in the key. The private key of the private key kind of thing might have been the best analogy. By the way, my whole thing is about trying to like simplify it so that we can describe it in an easy way. No, we are dividing it. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, by the way, Twitchy, just to show you some of the stuff that we got coming, that we got working. I like to do fundamental coin understanding, so I take notes on stuff. Right now, we're just learning. But I've got articles that I run through. Right? So just a few things that I've written. Understanding Bitcoin in a simple way. Cryptocurrency newbie guide. Trying to help people get involved. Did I spell irreversible wrong? What a piece of shit I am. There we go. So just a little bit of FAQ, you know. Ethereum fundamentals with the quick little picture there from Coinbase. Blockchain primer, helping people understand the blockchain. Actually, I might tweet this out to you too. I think you said you followed me on Twitter, but I might tweet some stuff out to this to you as well. See what you think about it. And then, yeah, the goal would be to create something like this where we can share and create a video for our community about Radix and what you guys are up to. Obviously, probably closer to when you guys launch, unless you guys don't mind the attention. I said that with such confidence, like I am a huge influencer. Wow, I'm feeling natural, boys. Great idea. No, yeah, it would be something that you could definitely get some outside perspective, I guess. So that's always cool. I feel like that's a win-win, you know. I mean, and again, I try to stay as apart from this as possible, since you're in here with us. But this shit looks cool, man. This looks like you guys are doing some cool stuff, and especially if you're enabling people on such minimum devices to be able to run this. This is definitely worth checking out. Look, I do really hope people from Davor Coin or whatever, you know, come in here one time, or somebody from a shitcoin comes in here, because I don't, you know, I'll be honest, right? If I don't like what I see, I'll tell them, and that's fine. But this looks awesome. Anyone, anywhere. Yeah, that's the thing too. There's so many smart devices that are out and about, you know. Everybody's got smart devices. And being able to run stuff on that to empower people to use that, especially in the unbanked world, huge. Twitchy, I'll trade you my BNB for your Radix. Oh my god.